In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of TopView AI, an artificial intelligence platform that's designed to help creators, marketers, and business owners generate high-quality video content without needing advanced filming gear or hours of editing. TopView AI has been gaining popularity because it promises to make video creation faster, easier, and more accessible by using AI to automate many of the tasks that normally take a lot of time and effort. Whether you're a YouTuber, someone who creates short-form videos for social media, or a marketer trying to produce professional visuals for your brand, you've probably wondered whether tools like TopView AI can actually deliver results that are worth your time and money. Over the past few weeks, I've spent time using this platform for different video projects, so I can share my experience with you in this review. One of the first things I noticed about TopView AI is just how beginner-friendly the interface is. You don't need to be a professional editor or have any background in filmmaking to start creating videos. The platform guides you through the process with prompts and templates, so you can quickly put together scripts, choose styles, upload images or clips, and let the AI generate the final video for you. In many cases, I was able to go from an idea to a finished clip in under 20 minutes, which is something that would normally take hours using traditional editing software. For content creators who post frequently and need efficiency, this alone is appealing. TopView AI's video generation capabilities are pretty impressive. You can use text, voice, or even existing footage as input, and the AI will combine everything into a cohesive video with transitions, background music, captions, and more. The quality of the visuals and motion effects varies depending on the complexity of your project, but for simple promos, product highlights, and social posts, the results are solid and engaging. I tried it with both short clips for Instagram and longer videos for YouTube, and while it's better suited to short-form content, it still held its own for lengthier pieces too. Another feature I liked was the customization options. You're not strictly limited to whatever the AI spits out. TopView AI allows you to tweak scenes, change music, adjust pacing, and edit text overlays, so the final product still feels personal and on brand. Some AI tools feel too rigid, but TopView AI gives you enough control to refine the output without overwhelming you with technical controls. That said, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. Although the AI does an excellent job with basic video assembly, it can struggle with more advanced storytelling elements or very specific creative directions. If you need highly cinematic quality or very complex narrative sequences, you might find yourself needing to do extra manual editing outside of the platform. There were also times when very detailed prompts produced general or slightly off-topic visuals, which meant going back and adjusting inputs to get closer to what I envisioned. Pricing is another consideration. TopView AI uses a subscription model with several tiers. The entry-level plan gives you access to basic features and a set number of video generations per month, while higher tiers unlock more advanced tools, increased export limits, and faster processing. If you create videos casually, the basic plan can work fine. But for frequent or professional users, you might find yourself leaning toward a higher plan to get the best value. Customer support seems to be a mixed experience as well. Some users report timely responses when they encounter issues, while others have mentioned slower help or delayed replies. This isn't unusual for rapidly growing AI platforms, but it's worth keeping in mind if support responsiveness matters to you. Overall, TopView AI is a strong contender for anyone looking to speed up video creation and produce engaging content with less technical hassle. It's not a perfect replacement for professional editing tools if you need highly detailed control, but for fast and efficient video production with a good balance of automation and customization, it delivers on its promise. Let me know in the comments if you've tried TopView AI or considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.